Panoorin ang mga kaganapan sa 18th birthday celebration ni Sophia Asistio, anak nila Nadia Montenegro at Baron Geisler. Ang debut ni Sophia ay ginanap nitong nakaraang linggo August 18 sa Celebrity Sports Plaza sa Quezon City.
Yay! Happy birthday once again to our
Tagal mo itong hinintay. So, Tita Nats, so may mga rights na sa Sophia na pwede natin ibigay. Open pa rin yung bahay namin. May kwarto ka doon. So, anytime na gusto mong pumunta, makakapunta ka. So, the whole family is always with you. You've been through a lot, we've been through a lot, and always remember na nandito kami sa'yo, and lagi ka pa rin namin ibigay. Happy, happy birthday, Sophia, and we love you. Eto rin, may gift ako. Hi, honey. Kapal ba?
Yung sa amin dito yung hilera, Gcash na lang. Oo, kasi hindi kami handa, anak. Okay? So mamaya yung number mo, ibigay mo kay Tito Warren. Si Tito Warren ang bahala sa'yo. Tsaka si Tito Rocky. Yan. Yan ang mga the best. Yan. Kami, oo, spokesperson. No kidding aside, my love. I just wanna wish you a happy, happy birthday. Stay happy. And may all your dreams and prayers come true. Well, I will always be praying for you. And you know na nandito lang ako. Okay? I love you. Happy birthday, darling.
Oh, siyempre, Gcash ang form. Ang regalo. Pero bakit pa si tita, di ba? Ang bayad sa 30 pa. Okay, kidding aside din. You know, your mom asked me 2 days ago. Sabi niya, Arlene, were you there when I gave birth to Sophia? Sabi ko, yeah, I was. Sabi ko ganyan. What, can you give me details? Sabi ko, naku, Nadia, ako pinakamaling person to ask because I have a very faulty memory. But, I remember everything about all of you. You, your sisters, your brother. I was a witness to all of you growing up. And having said that, ang sa akin lang naman, a tip as you enter adulthood. Life is not, siyempre nakapag-isip ako sa tagal. Medyo naka-form yung sabihin ko. Life is never always a bed of roses, di ba? So, there are ups and downs. Sometimes you'll make mistakes, but even if you do make mistakes, if and when you fall, get up, dust yourself off, hold your head up high, and move on. Because, Tita Lita, tawa ka dyan, nakapag-isip ako, because your mistakes should never define who you are. Ha? So, di ba? So, galing ko mag-isip. Ha? So, happy birthday! I love you forever and ever. Amen! I love you.
Ang dami na nilang sinabi. Hindi, happy birthday. I love you. May God bless you in many ways.
Amen.
Hi, dear Sophie. It's your 18th birthday, and we're so happy to see you, that you've grown to be an intelligent, beautiful, and God-fearing woman. And I can't thank your parents enough for bringing you up. And I'm so proud of you, and will always be watching you, even from afar. I love you so much.
Hi Sophie, I'm going to call for some backup. Kasi Tita Tanya wasn't able to speak kanina, so I'll call her in. So, ayan.
Yan.
And then, kailangan niya ng backup. And then, no, Sophie, kasi hindi ako nag-talk daw kanina. But baby, from the time you were born, I knew you would always be special. Kasi ikaw lang yung baby namin na kalbo. O, di ba? Siya lang yung baby natin na kalbo. Pero babe, ang ganda ng hair mo ngayon. Okay? Talaga tayong dalawa na tayong matinuusapan lagi. But, you know, you're very, very special. You're very, very beautiful. Don't forget that. And like what Tita Arlene said, whatever happens, no matter what mistakes, stand up, fight. Kasi, suplada ka. Diba? Kaya mo yan, diba? You're a good girl. So I love you, baby, so, so much. Sobra. Okay? Happy birthday.
Ay, so, bilang kuya mo, ang pinagandaan ko is 18 roses. Hindi ko alam na 18, ano ako, 18 bills. So yan, buti meron namang bill. And may gift na. So, Sophia, I just want to say to you that I'm proud of how you've grown. And just since you're 18 na, you're maturing, just be wiser. And like what Tita Arlene said, what's important talaga, whatever you are experiencing, just overcome. Make sure that you are overcome and also learn to have empathy with others as well. Para yun, mag-improve yung pakikitungo mo din sa tao. So yun. So that's all. I'm here for you always. I love you. Kuya loves you.
Alright, thank you. Once again, palakpakan natin ang 18 bills ng ating debutant, Sophia Asisio. And now, as we continue with our debut traditions,
Hey you, just want to greet you a happy birthday.